In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Google Sites. Linking pages is a simple way to guide visitors around your site, connect related content, and make navigation feel seamless. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a link from text or an image to another page within your site and make those changes live. First, open your Google site in edit mode. If you're already viewing your site, look for the edit button with the pencil icon at the top. Clicking that switches you into the editor so you can make changes. You'll know you're in edit mode when you see the page outline on the right and the formatting toolbar above your content. Next, choose what you want to turn into a link. You can highlight a piece of text like a heading or a short phrase, or you can select an image. For text, click and drag to select the exact words you want linked. It's a good idea to pick clear descriptive wording so visitors know where they'll go, rather than something vague. If you prefer to link an image, click the image once to select it. You'll see a small toolbar appear. Now click the insert link icon. It looks like a small chain link and appears in the floating toolbar when text or an image is selected. Clicking it opens a link dialog where you can choose what the link should point to. From the link options, select the page within your site that you want to connect to. You'll see a list of your site's pages, often matching the page list in your site's navigation. If you have many pages, start typing the page name to filter the list and find it quickly. Click the page you want and the dialog will fill in the link destination for you. Click apply to save the link to your selected text or image. You'll usually see the text gain link styling, or the image will show as linked in the editor. If you change your mind, you can always undo right away. Finally, publish your site so the change goes live. Use the publish button in the top right. Google Sites keeps edits in draft until you publish, so this step ensures that your newly created link is visible to your visitors. After publishing, your site's navigation will feel more connected and users will be able to move from one page to another with a single click. That's all it takes to link pages in Google Sites. Edit, select your content, use the link icon, choose the destination page, apply, and publish.